I'll show you what to look for when buying a new battery with this step-by-step replacement, including the tools you need and what to expect after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. On the positive, the clamp nut looks similar to the negative one. Just excuse my hands in the way. This one had quite a bit of corrosion, so no, this is not furniture cleaner, but rather a mixture of baking soda and water to neutralize the acid buildup. Then it's these two nuts on the bracket to release the battery. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. A clean connection means less resistance, so if you don't have a steel wire brush, some fine sandpaper will also do. Our battery manufacturers recommend a slightly larger battery than the original, so just check in your country which would be the best fit, but I'll share some info on the one we used shortly. If possible, try and get one without these base mounts, because they're not necessary and it does make fitment harder. Before I share the specs on this battery, I must apologize because my camera stopped recording at some point, but for installation just work in the reverse order, so battery bracket first, then the positive and lastly the negative terminal. The battery we used is a 93 amp hour enhanced flooded battery with around 800 cranking amps, but use these dimensions for the maximum size that will fit you. There were no warning messages on startup, and a radio code isn't necessary. It didn't seem like this one had one touch or auto windows, even though the button indicated otherwise. So let me know in the comments if yours work. Did you have to reset or not? Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.